Hi, it's a new day and this small project continues. I will continue drilling and grinding those inlet, but in the meanwhile I will make these intake seals. I have been tapping all around and created the form. I didn't have much material, but I think they will be fine. It's about the size, only little piece, like 1 millimeter small, but I was lucky to have at least this much material for this seal, so I will continue forward. So I've been removing metal and grinding the intake and the adapter plate. Lot of metal out, but this is such a long way that it really takes time and patience to get it large and enough. I have got it quite nice now. I think the inlet opening is now what I measured is about 36 millimeters, so it's still a little bit smaller than the carburetor throat, but I think I will soon leave it there. I will finish this little bit. I have taken there that intake curve little softer, and there's like a dividing. It goes to 2 cylinders here and 2 cylinders. I'm starting to have things ready now for putting back together. So here is the intake now with all the work, and I have been washing and blowing it very clean. Make sure that there's no metal inside loose from the grinding. And here I have to fitting piece a little bit free about there. So I will put thermostat into this housing first. I'm going to put little bit sealant with thin gasket. This is probably not needed, but many times I use this because this seals quite well. I have the housing. I've been cleaning all this parts as good as all the sealing surfaces are quite good. I will also put the sealant on this other side of the gasket. Only a little bit, not much is needed. There is the gasket I have made. Okay, I have said before, this can only go one way. It's like here, and the hose is going that way. I will wipe those extra that come out of the cap after that. I don't spread the sealant around. It's there. Yeah, and next I will start to put this carburetor back to the inlet. Goes this way, I think. There's different types. Some bolts are going through, and because there's not much space. So this and yeah, this one. I don't show all the work with the car. I'm putting every screw, but I will show some points. I hope I can finish this in a few hours. Yo. Crazy amount of fuel in the ball of this carburetor. I have been drying it all the time and seeing that not much would come out, but it seems that it has so much. Okay, I will leave it there, and I will check that everything at the car is ready for putting it back together. I'm starting to put the intake manifold and carburetor back. I had covered these inlet ports because I removed them this gasket parts which were stuck here. They are protecting that nothing goes inside the gaskets are here, which I have made. This is how they should go. If I didn't forget anything. Remember that this lifting air goes here in the first one. The holder of the oil dipstick goes here. It's nice to put back and then everything is clean or cleaned. The oil line goes in here, so look at that. Only two most difficult. In the bottom ones. Okay, I will show it a little bit later when I get it forward, so this doesn't come too boring. Things progress quite nicely. I have been connecting hoses and cables, and I have connected a lower water hose already, and now goes the upper one. Quite many hoses and small screws, but it's getting forward, and this is very quickly to work and put back when everything has been cleaned and nice little threads are clean and done easily. There's the, I will put the preheating tube which goes here a little bit later maybe. Car is in the summer position, so it takes air from the right fender, so it doesn't need that. Now it's time to connect the cables for the throttle linkage and for the choke. And after that it's only filling with coolant and some checks and that everything has been put correctly, and then I can start it up. And now everything has been put back together best I can. I'm going to fill the radiator now with the coolant and check is there any leaks, and then I can, if no water comes out, so I can start the car. I have closed now. Okay. I hadn't closed the empty. Yeah, the empty valve was open bottom of the radiator. Everything has been checked, so I will start the car. Is there any leaks? What is there? that the choke cable is a little bit binding. I should check for leaks. Now about 1,400 I will take it outside and on the road and see a little bit how does it, has it changed anything and is everything alright. The car is actually quite nice to drive. I'm not really sure does it have any effect, but it feels like it's pulling really nicely now. And it also likes to rev higher. You have to really look when you have smaller gears that you don't over rev. It goes with the first and second easily over 5,000. If there is some place I will take a little bit from the standstill, somewhere up to